Hey, good main squad, welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to hop on here. Okay, say hi.
Hi guys.
Alright, so I'm hopping on here really quick before work. What I want to do is revamp this unit I have here. This is Krystal in the color 2. This was lace front by Outre, or Outre, however you want to pronounce it. So what I'm going to do, first of all, I hope this finds you in good spirits. Did you tell yourself you love yourself today? You know how I feel about that. Make sure you let yourself know that you're awesome. So, okay, we're going to hop right in real quick. So I'm just going to cut this. I'm going to cut a lot off. I want to make this into a bob. So I haven't seen any bobs that I like that have the kind of frontal units on it that are synthetic. So since I really don't wear Krystal anymore, I figure why not customize her into a bob. So that's what I'm going to do, and I'm just going to speed through this, and I'll see you guys at the end of the video.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. Know you want this yummy, yummy all in your tummy. Level up, 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 level up. Check your act, level up, love yourself, level up, drop that bass, level up. It's time to win, level up. Them old mistakes are gone, I won't do them no more. There's old news, there's news, I done it.
Alright guys, so here's my messy bob that I just cut. She needs a little bump on the curls, but I'm late for work, so I'm just going to keep her like this. I think she still looks cute. So yeah, I got my bob that I wanted with a frontal unit. So guys, let me know what you think about me revamping this unit here. Now I'll probably wear Miss Krystal more. And I'm going to revamp some other units. There's some other products I have in mind that I want to do, so stay tuned for that. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Hit the notifications so you know when a new video is headed your way. And have a wonderful day whenever you're watching this. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.
Level up, 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 level up. All this on me so yummy, all this sauce so yummy. Know you want this yummy.